Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today, and it's another one where I got to pick stuff, so I think they're just doing that from now on. Some people still aren't able to. If you're not familiar, they're doing this like beta testing where they send you an email saying your picks are ready, and your stylist picks 10 things for you, and then you get to pick 5 of the things. And if you only pick, this time I only picked 3 things out of the items she sent to me, and then she picked 2 other ones that I hadn't seen, so it's kind of nifty. Not everyone has it yet, but I think that's the way it's going. So let's just get right into it. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you want to know more, there's stuff in my description below, and there's my referral link. If you want to get $25 towards your first fix, you can use that link, and then I would get $25 too. So it's out there if you wanna try it. Here's our bundle. I already took it out of the box. She's a little flippy floppy. That's an overstuffed burrito right there. She's a little flippy floppy, but that's okay, it's not her fault. So first off, let's read the note. If you don't want to hear me read the note, I suggest fast forwarding maybe like 30 seconds, maybe 40. Here I go. Hey Rachel, thank you so much for being flexible with your fix this month to accommodate my time off to move my grandparents. I really appreciate it. By the time you're getting this, hopefully we're back and all moved in. It's going to be quite the journey. I'm so glad you loved your last fix and the fix preview feature. That's what it's called, the fix preview. I did see you request this fix for a dress or jumpsuit for the baptism. Our friend's baby's getting baptized. So I sent a few options to try. First, I know the weather has been up and down where you are, so I chose this dress with long sleeves by 9 Britain. I love the back detail. Next, I know you love skirts, so I chose this teal skirt by Skies Are Blue. Pair with the burgundy lace keyhole top, also great for work. She put it in parentheses, so I feel like this means parentheses to me. By Daniel Rain. Lastly, this may be too big, but I thought this dress by French Grey could be a cute option. Let me know what you think. XO, Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. Alright, so we're gonna open the bundle. I think, there we go. I can't talk today. Alright, so first up is by Daniel Rain, and it doesn't have any stretch, so I'm not super hopeful, but it is very cute. Look at that like kind of lace detail with that keyhole, and then the back has lace all down the center as well. Has some little tiny sleeves, little tiny. It has buttons in the back. It is very cute. It just doesn't have any stretch, so I'm not very hopeful. But it's a really, really pretty color. So that's nice. And then next, okay, so this looked black in the fix preview. So it doesn't say the color, it's just you have to use your eyes. So this is navy, which I know you always hear me say I'm not a navy person, but I'm coming around to it. This is a navy jumpsuit by Kaylee. Did I read the name? Hang on, of the other top, hang on. Exclusive. And it is the Daniel Rain Quinn Keyhole Crochet Top. Alright, and then this one is by Kaylee, and it is the Rika, R-I-C-A, knit crop jumpsuit. I love crop jumpsuits in navy, and an XL. I do have a jumpsuit similar to this that has thicker straps, but it's black with like different colored things like that. So that's cute. I don't really wear spaghetti straps that often, but you never know. My hair's weird today. And, ooh, she's soft. This is exclusive. She's really soft. This is by French Grey. And where's your little taggy tag? This is the French Grey Arabelle knit dress in red. This is the one she said might be too big, so maybe this was all that was available in this size. But look how cute she is. She's got some crochet going on too. She's got some light pink flowers on it. She's kind of adorable. Elastic waist. That's the skirt part. That's really cute. I will say the baptism was already today. It was already earlier today. This box did not get here in time for me to unbox it and everything, so it was fine. I wore a different, skirt and top, and it was fine. These are still great options. And next is the Skies Are Blue Sage mini skirt in teal green. And this is really cute. It has elastic on the back part, and then the front part is like smooth. It has a tie. And it's just really cute. Does it have like a little slit? It does have a little slit on the side. Look at that pattern. It'll focus in. That's really cute. It's like dark green with a purple and white. I think that's really cute. I don't have anything like that, so that's nice. That might be a keeper if it fits well. And then lastly, this one's really cute too. And this is, wow, exclusive. Let's see. And then this one is the 9 Britain Naya, N-A-Y-A, back detail knit dress in burgundy. And that's really pretty. I know people will say that's more of a fall color, but you know what? I like burgundy. I'll wear burgundy all year round. I really will. Yeah, so the back detail has that nice crisscross. That's really pretty. All right, let's try everything on. So here's the first dress. It's so soft. It is super pretty. I like how there's more flowers down at the bottom than there is throughout. So it's like kind of falling down into this beautiful bouquet at the bottom. You know what I mean. Here's the back. And it's got a nice crisscross going on. I do have a cami under it because I've been wearing one today. And yeah, it's really super cute. It would have been really cute for the baptism. But it's you know, it's fine. It's really cute. I like the maroon. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I'm just trying to keep one thing from this box today. So we're gonna hold out and make sure we have, you know, a great winner. But this is really pretty, really soft. It twirls, which is nice. Let's try on the next thing. Look at this little darling dress. This would be really nice for summer. You know, just throw it on. I think it fits really cute. I don't know if I'm crazy about this crochet right here because it is like kind of flipping up like that, you know what I mean? And I don't know if I'm gonna be too particular and OCD-ish about that staying down. But other than that, it's really cute. I like that. I think it's a nice kind of silhouette. Like I said, easy to throw on. It's really soft, so soft. But yeah, see what that's doing? It's like coming up right there because it's only sewn at the top part. So I don't know if that's gonna drive me nuts or not. But this is really cute. It's kind of like, and in no way should it, but it kind of reminds me like of a milkmaid a little bit. I don't know why. But it's really cute. Don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but it's really cute. I think this is actually really cute together. Like the juxtapositioning of the colors, the contrast, I think is really cute. Because the skirt does have just a little purple in it, and it's not the exact purple, but it doesn't have to match, it just has to go. As Stacy and Clinton from What Not to Wear would say, it doesn't have to match, they have to go. So I think this is really cute. I really like this skirt. I think she's a winner. The top, I did discover, is stretchy in the back, so the back is a different material. So the front is, you know, not stretchy at all, which, as you can see, it's kind of wrinkly already too. It must be like rayon or something. But the back is not stretchy. I mean, it's stretchy, so that is nice if you were thinking of it yourself. And here's the skirt. It does have a slit right here, which is cute, but still work appropriate. You know, it's not too, doesn't go up too high. It stops like right here if I stop messing with it. There's my knee. So yeah, I think that's really nice. I think the skirt's gonna be a winner. I don't think I'm gonna get this shirt with it because I do have other, you know, I have other purple shirts I could wear with it. But this is a really pretty color. If you guys like this shirt and you don't need as much stretch as I do in the top, I think you should request it. Daniel Rain. It's really cute. All right, yeah, I think the skirt might be the winner, but let's try that jumpsuit on. Here's the jumpsuit. She's beautiful. I just don't think I can do the spaghetti straps. I have an issue with bras showing. It's not for me. I don't like it. I don't like bras showing. Bra straps. So I'd have to wear a strapless bra with this one, and we all know strapless bras suck. So otherwise, she fits really well. Makes the waist look real slim. You know, she has pockets. She's cropped. Let me point you down towards the feet there. She's cropped. I'm a 5'4" gal. You know, that's nice. If they're not cropped, then they're, you know, dragging on the floor on me. So she's cute. She is cute, but she's not gonna stay. She's gonna find a new home elsewhere, and she's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right. Otherwise, she's super cute. Kaylee jumpsuits are really nice. I have 2 other ones I got from her last summer, the Kaylee brand, and they're really great. So yeah, all right, that's the box. So let's go over the prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and just hit the subscribe button down below. It's down there somewhere, you'll find it. Prices. All right, let's see. These Skies Are Blue Sage mini skirt in teal green. It's $58. Do I like it $58 worth? Should I try to look for it on Poshmark? Maybe. That was an attractive face. 9 Britain Naya back detail knit dress in burgundy, $54. This was a more expensive box, which I didn't realize. The Daniel Rain Quinn keyhole crochet top in burgundy, $64. Daniel Rain is a more expensive brand. The Kaylee Rika knit crop jumpsuit in navy, $58. And the French gray Arabelle knit dress in red, $50. So the total is $284. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making it $213 for the whole box. So usually you have a $20 styling fee. I have a style pass, which means I pay $49 and I get, you know, free fixes for the year. That $49 goes towards what I keep, and that renews like every year for you once they offer that to you. I don't know if it's available for everyone. I've been doing it for like 2 years now since I got the style pass. It was like about 2 years ago. So I don't have a styling fee for this box. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep anything, because that skirt is kind of expensive, $58. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I have a few days to think on it. But everything was beautiful. It was a great box, Deanna. Thank you. And I hope your move went well for your grandparents. I hope that went great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.